The hustle bustle right now. Tomorrow, the 8th Bird Watching Festival is going live, and we are just getting the site ready. We are looking at burning the midnight oil today, but we will get these up there so that we are ready for the Bird Festival. Bird Festival, and we have all the birds of Mussoorie outside in the jungle and here in the rooms too. So finally the day has come, and this is the inauguration day of the 8th Bird Festival, and Brentwood Sanctuary is ready to welcome all the guests.